Imagine a world without water. No oceans, no rivers, no rain. Life as we know it would simply cease to exist. Water is not just a liquid. It's the lifeline of our planet. It's in our bodies, in the air, in the ground. It's everywhere. But how much do we really know about this miraculous substance? Today we'll unravel the fascinating story of water, from its ancient cosmic origins to the role it plays in shaping our everyday lives. So grab a glass of water and let's dive in, literally. 2. The ancient journey of water. Let's start at the very beginning. Around 4.6 billion years ago, Earth was a molten, fiery rock floating in space. It was inhospitable, barren, and dry. But then, something magical happened. Scientists believe that water arrived on Earth through comets and asteroids, carrying tiny ice crystals. Imagine these icy messengers from space crashing onto the planet, melting into vapor, and eventually forming vast oceans. This is where the story of water begins. Over millions of years, these oceans became the cradle of life. The first microorganisms, tiny single-celled creatures, emerged from these waters. Without water, life might never have started. Isn't it amazing to think that the water we drink today has been part of Earth's story for billions of years? 3. The importance of water in our lives. Fast forward to today. Water is everywhere. It covers 71% of our planet, and it's in every living being. But why is water so important? Let's break it down. For humans, water is life. Our bodies are made up of about 60 to 70% water. It helps regulate our temperature, flush out toxins, and keep our organs functioning. In fact, a person can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without water. For the planet, water is the lifeblood of ecosystems. Rivers and lakes support wildlife, oceans regulate the Earth's temperature, and rainfall sustains forests and crops. Without water, the balance of nature would collapse. And then there's the emotional connection. Think about the soothing sound of waves, the joy of rain, or the tranquility of a quiet lake. Water doesn't just sustain life, it enriches it. 4. Water's role in shaping civilizations. Water has also shaped human history. Ancient civilizations flourished near water sources. The Egyptians had the Nile, the Mesopotamians relied on the Tigris and Euphrates, and the Indus Valley civilization thrived along the Indus River. Water wasn't just a resource, it was a source of power, trade, and survival. But as civilizations grew, so did their need for water. Dams were built, canals were dug, and wells were drilled. Today, water powers industries, fuels agriculture, and even generates electricity. It's hard to imagine modern life without it. 5. Scientific wonders of water. Now let's explore the science behind water. At its core, water is a simple molecule, two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom. But this simplicity hides incredible complexity. For example, water has a high surface tension. That's why small insects can walk on water without sinking. It's also a universal solvent, meaning it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This property is why water plays such a vital role in transporting nutrients within our bodies and ecosystems. And then there's the fact that water can exist in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. This ability is what drives the water cycle, ensuring that water is constantly moving through our planet's systems. Have you ever thought about why ice floats? Unlike most substances, water expands when it freezes. This property prevents oceans and lakes from freezing solid, allowing life to survive even in the harshest winters. 6. Fascinating facts about water. Here are some mind-blowing facts about water. 1. The Earth has about 326 million trillion gallons of water, yet less than 1% is drinkable. 2. The water you drink today has likely been around since the dinosaurs. That means the same water has been recycled for millions of years. 3. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. This strange phenomenon is called the Mpemba effect. 4. Every day, the sun evaporates over 1 trillion tons of water from Earth's surface. 7. Water crisis, a global challenge. Despite water's abundance, Access to clean water is a luxury for millions. According to the UN, over 2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water. Climate change, pollution, and overuse are putting immense pressure on this precious resource. Think about this. While some of us leave taps running, others walk miles to fetch a single bucket of water. This imbalance is a stark reminder that water conservation is not just an option, it's a necessity. 8. Emotional appeal. The gift of water. Water is not just a resource, it's a gift. It connects us to nature, to history, and each other. Every drop tells a story of survival, of yabadi and hope. But it's up to us to ensure that this story continues for future generations. So what can we do? Start small, fix leaks, use water wisely, and support clean water initiatives. Together, we can make a big difference. From the depths of the oceans to the glass in your hand, water is truly a treasure. Let's cherish it, protect it, and never take it for granted. If you found this journey through the story of water inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel Topic Treasure, and join us as we explore more amazing topics. Remember, knowledge is power, and every topic is a treasure waiting to be discovered. See you in the next video.